Hey parents, I just wanted to jump on and make a quick video explaining a little bit behind our math philosophy so you can understand some of the materials that we have coming home with our juniors. First of all, the most important thing you can do for your child at this age is to help them learn how to think mathematically. You'll find a bedtime math page coming home every Tuesday in their packet of papers. This is really important. Even if you're opting out of the other types of math activities that we're offering, I highly encourage you to look at the bedtime math activity with your child each week. The one you'll see in their packet this week has a picture of a transformer on the front. The bedtime math is not available only online, it's also available in app format, and I highly encourage everyone to download that app and to use it regularly with your child. This is honestly probably the #1 thing that has helped both of my boys, Joshua and Andrew, to really develop their ability to think mathematically and to solve problems in their heads, which is a fun skill for them to have and also very helpful as they start talking about higher mathematical operations. The second thing that you'll see coming home each week is a packet of math papers. These papers help introduce the children to various math concepts, which is the second part of our program. We want children to be familiar with measurement, temperature, calendar, addition, subtraction, decimals, fractions. When they come across these concepts, they may not master them at the elementary level, but we want them to be familiar with these concepts. So the two programs that we'll mainly be using for that are the 180 Days of Math, which is a workbook-based format, and the Math Antics pages, which I will print off and provide a packet each week. The Math Antics program also supplies videos, which I will send you a link in the email that shows you how to access the videos and any pages from Math Antics that you might want to print off at home for your use. The third thing that's really important to us here at Illuminate is learning our basic math facts, addition, subtraction, and multiplication. It doesn't sound very creative, but I think it opens the door for children to be able to do their math more quickly and to also think creatively about math, because they won't be bogged down by the details of what's 2 plus 5 and what's 8 plus 9 and what's 6 times 4. If they know that automatically, it really helps them to be able to solve problems without being slowed down by these lesser details. So their homework for Monday is to practice their basic facts. My recommendation is the Reflex Math program online, but there are other types of programs that you can use, flashcards, other internet games, but my encouragement to you is let that Monday time be set on their calendar for a time to practice their math facts. The fourth thing that we really want students to be working on is learning step by step to do their basic algorithms. This starts with long addition, which is usually introduced sometime in 2nd grade. We also have long subtraction. Okay, this is something the 2nd and 3rd graders are both working on. Long multiplication or multiple digit multiplication, and then division, which is more, depending on their level, those types of skills are appropriate for 3rd, 4th, and 5th grades and beyond. So my suggestion to you would be to choose one algorithm for your child to work on and for them to do maybe 4 or 5 guided practice problems. That means with you sitting beside them and helping them learn until they're able to do it fairly independently. So just for a recap, the 4 things that we're aiming at in the elementary years with math, first and most importantly, is learning to think mathematically. And I love bedtime math for this. Odd Squad is another good show that's useful, especially up through the 3rd and 4th grade. The second thing we're trying to teach them is just a variety of math skills. Even if they don't master these, they should be introduced to a variety of math skills, and that's why we have the worksheets. 180 Days is good for this, mathematical reasoning is good for this, and we'll be using Math Antics as well. The third thing that we're working on is basic facts, memorizing basic facts, which will make everything in math so much easier. The Reflex Math is our recommended resource. And the last thing is learning how to do basic algorithms, starting with the long addition and working all the way up through long division, okay? When they finish that, then they'll start doing those operations with fractions, decimals, and percents, but that's more at the 5th and 6th grade level. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. I'd love to chat. This is one of my favorite topics, and I will send you some links and some more information about the weekly math homework in the email. Thanks, and have a great day.